Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of tips and tricks for exams, tests and quizzes questions at Mathegination, the channel where you can learn and learn. Our today's question is about how to calculate square root but without calculator. So in exams, we can find out you can know square root with a calculator. But sometime when the answer is given, there is no answer in a decimal form, like in this case. So here we have a question in which we have to solve the square root of 160. So when you find out the square of 160, the calculator give you the answer in a decimal form. But as you can see, the options are not in a decimal form. So today we will learn the trick to how to calculate the square root of a number but not in decimal. So the answer not in decimal but in a fraction or in a rational number. Now, so to see how to calculate the square root of 160, we just have to take an LCM for it. So the LCM of 160, you can see we start with the first prime number. So always use a prime number, right? When you are taking the LCM of any number. So the first prime number, so we know what is the prime number. So prime number are those number which have only two factors, i.e. which can be divided by only two number. One is fixed, which is number one, right? And the second number is odd. For example, 2 is prime. Why? Because 2 is divisible by 1, it gives you 2. 2 divided by 2, it gives you 1, right? So there is no decimal number. So that's why 2 is a prime. So the definition of prime is very simple. Any number which can only be divided by 1 and by its own, right? So like 6 is not a prime because 6 can be divided by with 1, it gives 6. 6 can be divided by 2, gives you 3, and 6 can be divided by 6 as well, give you 1. Okay, having said that, some revision about the primes. So let's start taking LCM. So we first start with 2, 2 is 16, 0, 2 to 4, 8, 0, 2 to 4, 0, right? 2, 1, 0, then 2 into 5 and 5 into 1. So it means actually the LCM told us that actually this 160 can be written as 2 multiply by 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 5. So actually the LCM told us that the prime factors, so these are all prime numbers, you can see 5 is a prime, these are all 2, 2 is a prime. So actually LCM told us what, that this number, whatever number we are taking of LCM of, this number as a prime factor, i.e. the multiplication of a prime number can be written like this. Okay, so when I take root on both sides, it means root of 160 can be written like this. So when I took out, so we know that this is the pair. So we always find out the pairs of number. So we can pair these two, and there is no other pair, right? So the second step is when you take LCM, write down the factors and take out the pairs outside. So when you take pair outside, it becomes single, right? So from this pair, you can take this pair out, but this pair is now just a single two. So when we take out pair outside the square root, it becomes single. Then we take out this pair outside the root, and again this becomes single. And in the middle we have multiplication. Now there is no pair left, so these two numbers we wrote as it is. Now 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 2 is 10. So actually the 10. So actually the correct answer is 4 into root 10, which is C. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, like our channel, share and subscribe our channel Mathegination to learn mathematics in easy and fun way. So if you have any comment about this video, please write us on a comment box. Thank you.